So you've already got the IBEX rack, but you need a more secure way to store your gear. So what's next? Well, Kuat saw that issue coming from a mile away. The Kuat IBEX Panel Kit is an all-new way to make your IBEX even more useful. So whether you're braving the wilderness or going on a weekend adventure, these panels are designed to protect your gear and even your gear's gear from the elements. Each panel is built tough with steel doors for the sides and back, while the top panel and perimeter framing are crafted from high-grade aluminum. One of the great things about these panels is they're fully lockable, keeping your cargo secure and accessible whenever you need it. With full weather resistance, these panels will protect your gear no matter where your journey takes you, whether it's a weekend trip to the lake or an epic trip to the mountains. And if you need quick access to your bed, that's no problem. The side and rear doors have gas spring operated struts so you can get to your gear fast. Access to the crossbars allows you to mount even more gear on top with the unique Crossbar Riser kit made especially for the panel kit. And as we all know, safety is a must, and thanks to the rear auxiliary light, you can rest assured that you're visible on the road or the trail. The IBEX Panel Kit is rugged, versatile, and built to expand on what your IBEX can already do. Fully secure, quick and easy access, and fully adventure ready. In a nutshell, it's got everything you need for the road or the trail. If you want to know more about the IBEX Panel Kit, check it out at kuat.com.